Hey there, welcome to September, which means it's time to talk about what's trending on Pinterest and what you should be creating and pinning to stay ahead of the game. Whether you're a coach, a wedding pro, photographer, really any type of service provider, Pinterest is where your dream clients are already planning, and we want them to find you. So today I am breaking down what's trending in September 2025 and how you can turn those trends into traffic and leads. So let's do this. Why Pinterest trends matter right now. Pinterest isn't like Instagram or TikTok where you post what's happening today. It's a visual search engine, which means people go there to plan ahead. They're not just scrolling for fun or education or entertainment. They're searching for ideas and answers and inspiration for the future. And September is prime time to show up with seasonal content that positions your business as the solution that they are looking for. So let's walk through what's trending right now and how to make it work for you. Top Pinterest trends for September 2025. Number one, fall decor and cozy vibes. People are fully leaning into that fall aesthetic. Think pumpkins, plaid, and warm tones. Coaches share fall reset routines, journaling prompts, or cozy morning habits. For photographers, as an example, blog about what to wear for your fall photo shoot or fall mini session inspiration. Wedding pros post about cozy venues, fall weddings, florals, or autumn color palettes. Two, Halloween planning begins. Yes, even in September, people are already saving costume ideas, party themes, and spooky DIYs. You can tap into this with content like Halloween brand photo shoot ideas or fun ways to market your biz for Halloween, or even how to create a Halloween themed freebie for lead generation. Number three, back to routine and productivity hacks. Now that summer is behind us, everyone is trying to get back into the rhythm. So, for service providers, share planning tools, goal setting strategies, or systems for Q4. For coaches, talk about how to reset your workflow and re engage clients after a slower season. Number four, holiday marketing prep. I know it feels early, but Pinterest users are already searching for holiday gifts guides, content calendars, and promotional ideas. Everyone says that it's Christmas in July on Pinterest, and that's kind of true. If you're service based, share your favorite tools, giftable offers, or how to prep your business for Black Friday content. What you should create and pin in September. Based on what's trending, here are a few content ideas that you can run with this week or month: a blog post or reel about prepping for holiday season, a Pinterest graphic with fall aesthetic and cozy vibes, a carousel or reel walking through a reset routine or a checklist, a pin linking to your lead magnet with seasonal tie-ins like fall wedding checklist or QR launch planner. Remember, Pinterest is a slow burn. So the earlier you post, I like to recommend 2 to 3 months for my clients, the more time that that content has to circulate. But don't fear if you got a late start, pin it anyway, because this time next year, that pin will rise in its traffic during that season. How to stay consistent with trends. You don't have to jump on every trend. Just pick one or two that align with your content pillars and go all in. Then build one blog post, several pins with strong keywords, and maybe a quick reel or a video to repurpose on all platforms, including Pinterest. This is the strategy that I teach inside my club, where we go over current trends, what to post, and even give you templates that make it all faster and easier. If you want that kind of support, you'll find the link below. If you're walking away with ideas or inspiration, give this video a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post new marketing and Pinterest tips every single week to help you grow your service business without burning out. And comment below, tell me, what are you planning to pin this September? Let's brainstorm together. Maybe I can help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.